It's officially mango season. If you need a snack between your study sessions or just you want to enjoy the summer, there's a quick way how to cut a mango because it took me a couple days to figure it out. So you can take your mango, you want your spoon, slice it in the middle, just like an avocado. All right, now what you do is you twist it open. Okay, the juice will come out. That means it's nice and juicy. And then what you do, take your spoon, just start eating it. Simple. Oh, so good, look at this. So good.